Morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to try to help you use colons more effectively in your writing in 2 minutes or less. Check out the description below where you'll find a link to the slides that you can download for free if you want them. Ready? Let's get started. First off, a colon is a punctuation mark that's pretty versatile. It can be used in a few different ways, but the two ways that we'll be looking at today are to introduce lists and for emphasis. Now the first method is the most well-known, using colons to introduce the items in a list. You state your sentence, add a colon, then add in the examples that link to your sentence. There's 2 examples there, nice and easy. This method of using a colon can be quite hard to get into a piece of creative writing though, especially in a natural way. If you find this video or this sort of content useful, click the like button. A bit of feedback helps me know what content to make in the future and also helps the channel in YouTube's algorithms. Let's crack on with method 2. A more natural way to introduce colons into your writing is to use colons to emphasize the last part of a sentence. This could be an important piece of information, an extra detail, or an expansion on your point. In these examples, I'm emphasizing Muhammad Ali and the prison sentence. It sort of directs the reader's attention to the last part of the sentence. Now these aren't the only ways to use colons, but they are both pretty easy ways to improve your writing. And that's 2 ways to use a colon in under 2 minutes. Why not add them to your cue cards with your own example sentences? Happy revising.